In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 credit card lines that you can easily get approved for, even with low credit scores. Now, with these lines, they will show you your pre-approved credit limit before you actually apply fully for the card. And for those who have smaller credit card lines, this can help you build and get larger credit card lines and break that cycle of those little 300 credit cards and $500 credit card limits. So with this technique, understand banks only trust you as far as the last bank trusts you. So if you already have a $500 credit card line reporting on your credit report, when you apply to another bank, most likely they're going to match that or maybe a little bit over, maybe $700. And if you're trying to get out of that cycle to build credit, these credit card lines can be much larger for you with the approval with troubled credit scores. Now, these are going to be soft pull pre-approvals. So you're going to have an 80% chance of getting approved. And if your credit score is under a 700 credit score, adding a line of credit can help increase your credit score on 50 points on average when it reports. You just want to get one account, let it report, and you can move on to another one and get all the way up to a 700 credit score as long as nothing negative new is hitting your credit report. Now, this will not work if you're over a 700 credit score because age of credit is very important, or if you already have a collection account or a charge off hitting you every month with a CO, or if you're already behind on a credit account, such as your car note, you need to bring that current. When it comes down to the charge off or the collection, you can dispute that. Now, with my elite credit system, my user Greg was able to dispute a collection and get it removed within 12 days. So if you need my help with a one-on-one consultation, or if you want to sign up with my AI software and my group credit coaching, those links are in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. And if you go to my website, you can download this free heart inquiry removal package for free. That link is also in the description of the video. So now let's jump into the first line of credit.
Now, the first card on my list is the Apple credit card, where you can see your pre-qualified limit before you apply. And this card is underwritten by Goldman and Sachs. Now, it's been reported with the Apple credit card, people have been approved with credit scores as low as a 600 credit score. Now, with Apple, this card will be pulling from TransUnion. So there's also reports once you pre-qualify and get your limit, if you go and lock your TransUnion credit report and then apply for the card, you could get qualified with no hard inquiry. And so checking out if you are qualified will not hurt or affect your credit score. So check out the Apple credit card.
Now, the next card on my list is the Pandora credit card. Now, with this Pandora credit card, with Pandora, of course, they are known for fine jewelry, and this card can give you perks at their store. Now, with this Pandora credit card, it actually gives you the credit you deserve, enjoy special financing, and a welcome offer, My Pandora perks, and more when you apply. They offer you 0 down and 6 or 12 months special financing available on purchases of $225 or more after discounts for 6 months, or $500 or more after discounts for 12 months with your Pandora card. When you open a Pandora card, you can save 10%, get rewarded with exclusive perks and savings. It's all gold with Pandora credit card. Enroll in the My Pandora Rewards program with the same email address that you use for the Pandora credit card account and unlock a year of exclusive gold level benefits. Now, with this card, you can also see if you pre-qualify. Pandora will be pulling for this card from TransUnion, and with this card, a 620 and up credit score for approval. Just remember this as a credit building card because it is for Pandora stores only. And with this card, it's a high APR after the promotion of $34.99, but there's no annual fee. But any penalty, the APR will be $39.99. So that is really high. So you will just use this to actually help you build your credit. And there's a minimum interest charge of $2.
It's Alpheon Credit. Now, with this company, you can get up to a $25,000 credit limit with them, and you're able to see if you pre-qualify, and they will give you your pre-qualified limit with a soft pull pre-approval. But with all soft pull pre-approvals, once you guys take the card, if you want to process the applications, it does turn into a hard inquiry. This is a pre-qualification. So keep that in mind. You can check without it impacting your credit score. And so it will be quick and easy. And once they show you your pre-qualified line, you can determine if you want to take the card. Now, with this card, it has a lower credit score range of a 640 credit score, and it said that they either pull from Equifax or Experian. Now, keep this in mind, you guys. It depends sometimes on your region, so just freeze your other bureaus if you don't want them to pull a particular bureau where your credit score is lower to pre-qualify or to approve for the card. Now with Alpheon, this is for medical procedures. If you need dental work, health care, you can use this line of credit, and they're easier to qualify for. Now, for me, I've got pre-qualified for a $7,000 limit. So if you guys want to check out what you pre-qualified for, you can go ahead and see what's your pre-qualified limit. Now, next is the Lowe's Advantage card. Now, with this card, it is a lower bar to qualify for this card. You can qualify with a 640 credit score and up. Now, with Lowe's Advantage card, it qualified me for a $9,000 limit. Now, with you guys, when you pre-qualify for this card, they will show you your pre-qualified credit limit. And generally, what's reported, they will pull from TransUnion or Equifax, but this all depends on your geolocation. So if you don't want a particular bureau pull, make sure you freeze that bureau before applying or pre-qualifying for the card. So you can check out Lowe's and see what you pre-qualify for. Now, hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments section. More detailed questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.